Good morning.
Good morning.
What's outside the window?
Galveston.
Galveston. Means we're home.
Well,
Almost.
we need to drive home.
Yeah, we still gotta drive home. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's up? Yep. It's a quick update. We're in Galveston. But hey, just like the other day, there's a delay. But it's okay. This one shouldn't be very long. It was just because of bad traffic. These are the people that thought it would be convenient to carry their own bags out for the express checkout. Where are we going?
We're going home.
Are you as excited going home as you were getting on?
Yes. Even more excited, actually.
Even more excited?
Yeah.
Okay. We're almost home. What's the first thing you're gonna do when we get home? No. You're gonna help us unload the car. Well, folks, that's the end of our journey. I hope you've had a good time.
We're back out.
We are back home. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, what were your favorite parts?
Swimming with the dolphins.
Swimming with the dolphin? That was something I learned had been a dream of his since he saw pictures of me and his mom doing that on our honeymoon, so we made that happen. What else did you get to do? You got to pet a bird.
Oh, yeah.
2 of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
And where'd you do that?
In Mexico.
In Mexico. Cozumel, Mexico. Alright. I think we're all a little tired.
No, my parents are.
That's right.
I'm not.
I think the 2 grown-ups are a little tired. We hope you've enjoyed tagging along on our journey. And maybe we'll get to do it again. For now, I'm Dad.
I'm NJ.
And we're out.
Goodbye.